Do you want to start a healthy lifestyle but feel confused about where to begin? Too many diets, too many workout plans, too much information. In this video, I'll show you how to start a healthy lifestyle in a simple and realistic way, especially for beginners. Let's begin. A healthy lifestyle is not about strict dieting, extreme workouts, or expensive supplements. It is about simple daily habits that improve physical health, mental health, energy levels, and sleep quality. Small steps, big results. You don't need a complicated diet. Just follow these basics. Eat more natural foods, reduce junk and sugar, add fruits and vegetables daily, and drink enough water. Try this beginner formula: half plate vegetables, quarter plate protein, quarter plate carbs. Keep it balanced, not perfect. Many people feel tired just because they are dehydrated. Start your day with 1 glass of water. Drink 6 to 8 glasses daily. Water helps skin health, digestion, energy, and the detox process. Simple habit, big impact. You don't need a gym membership. Start with 20 to 30 minutes walking, light stretching, and basic home exercises. Consistency is more important than intensity. Even 15 minutes daily is better than nothing. Sleep is natural recovery. Without good sleep, hormones get disturbed, stress increases, weight gain happens, and hair and skin suffer. Aim for 7 to 8 hours daily. Avoid your phone 30 minutes before bed. Healthy lifestyle is not only physical. Reduce stress by deep breathing, prayer or meditation, spending time with family, and limiting social media. Healthy mind equals healthy body. Many beginners quit because they start too strict, try to change everything at once, or compare themselves with others. Start slow. Improve 1 habit per week. Progress, not perfection. Here's an easy weekly plan. Week 1, drink more water. Week 2, add 20-minute walk. Week 3, improve sleep. Week 4, reduce sugar. Step by step. After 1 month, you'll feel the difference. Healthy lifestyle is not a 7-day challenge. It is a long-term commitment. Start small, stay consistent. Be patient with yourself. Your future self will thank you. If this video helped you, subscribe to Natural Studio for more natural health and wellness tips. See you in the next video.